Hi. Today we're going to tell you about Google Circumventing Systems Suspension and will provide information how to lift it. Let's get started. A circumventing policy violation is a type of violation that Google considers to be perceived intention of trying to exploit or undermine Google's system and policies. It is triggered by egregious violations, meaning it's harder for users to come back from the suspension. There are a variety of reasons why this type of suspension occurs. Creating a new Google Ads account when you already have a suspended account. Using a redirect on the landing page in your ads. Having malicious links on your website. If you are flagged for this policy, Google is saying that you are trying to trick users or get around the company's systems. It's not hard to unintentionally and unknowingly violate this policy. When a company changes its website's domain, it does so while keeping the ads from the old site. However, it does not remove the ads from the new site. A company hires an agency or creates a new Google Ads account without realizing that the existing ads account is still there. To get reinstated, you should make sure that your website is clean and up to date, and that you provided accurate information about your business and pricing practices. You also need to identify and remove ad accounts that may be associated with the suspended account. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.